hope you all are doing well. So today I would like to discuss about two important topics in your chapter, that is ecology. What is that? This is adaptation and acclimatization. Okay. So many of you have some doubts about these two topics. Is it same or different, and many more, right? So let me clear you. First, what is adaptation? So basically, adaptation means that helps us to evolve. The process through which one organism can evolve itself to the environmental, to the specific environmental conditions or to the harsh environmental conditions. When the nature selects the particular organism with considering their changes, with considering their different changes. These changes denotes basically the behavioral changes, the morphological changes, the physiological changes, and many more. And these changes, these changing characteristics is not only determined only phenotypically but also genotypically. So the adaptation is a process which is genetically determined and through which one organism can live not only for one generation but also generation after generation. Through this changing of the characteristics, through these behavioral patterns, through these morphological patterns, they can live generation after generation. That means they can reproduce also in that environment. So this is adaptation, which is for long term, which is not for a short period of time. It requires a long years. Okay, so this is basically adaptation. Let me tell you one example. Suppose plants, they can live in the very much rising temperature. Okay, so how they can live in that temperature where every organisms are getting died? Because they have changing their characteristics, they are secreted, they are producing some proteins, some heat shock proteins. These proteins can help them to be resistant at that high temperature. This is adaptation. And this is not applicable for that one generation. This is also applicable for the generation after generation, for the next generation, for the next to next generation. In that particular environment, in that high temperature, every organisms can live of that plant species. Okay, so this is adaptation, which is genetically determined. Mind it. It is not only the phenotypical changes. Okay, so next is, what is acclimatization? So what is acclimatization? Basically, acclimatization is one thing when an organism can adapt. Yes, the adapt terminology you can use here. Adapt for a short period of time, like from days to week, from week to months. But it is not applicable for generation after generation. It can be applied for only one organism. Suppose one organism, they can move from one place to another, and that particular environmental condition, they can adapt themselves with different types of physiological changes, and this is only determined through their phenotypical characteristics. It is not genetically determined. It is only phenotypically. Okay, so this is acclimatization. Suppose, let me tell you one example. When a human, you or me, when we are traveling to high altitude, like tall mountains, hills, so in that case the oxygen saturation is getting low. So we are suffering due to this situation. We should suffer the high breathing problem, but we don't, because we acclimatize with that environment, the high altitude, by producing RBC, by producing more amount of RBC, that is red blood cell, for carrying more oxygen, for increasing the depth of the respiration. So we will not suffer breathing. Okay. Exception is also here, like asthma patient cardiac patient or the heart patients, they have this type of problem also, but this is not our concern for this topic now. Okay, so this is it about the acclimatization. So then let me tell you what is the differences. I think it is clear to all of you now. So the adaptation, which is applicable for the long years, for the long period of time, but acclimatization is not for the long period of time. It's for the only days to week or hardly 2 months. Adaptation is genetically determined, acclimatization is not. Okay, it's a changes in the particular organism, it's changing of the organism, changing the characteristics of the organism for that generation only. And adaptation helps in evolution, where acclimatization is not the process for evolving. So this is it about today's lesson. I hope now you don't have any doubts about adaptation and acclimatization. And also please comment if you have some another examples about adaptation and acclimatization in your mind.